Learn Hindi fast. May I equals.
क्या मैं सकता सकती हूँ?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you made it. Let's have some fun while learning fast. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and drills. Today you'll master may I in Hindi.
क्या मैं सकता सकती हूँ?
Let's roll. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for permission anywhere, classroom, cafe, or spaceship. Core phrase.
क्या मैं सकता सकती हूँ?
Tip. If you speak as masculine, say.
क्या मैं सकता हूँ?
If feminine, say.
क्या मैं सकती हूँ?
Add softness with please.
कृपया,
Get attention with excuse me.
माफ कीजिए,
Remember, permission equals.
अनुमति.
Think of the phrase as your polite key to open doors. Warm-up beat. Echo after me, short, punchy, and confident. May I come in?
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ?
May I ask a question?
क्या मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
May I sit here?
क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ?
Just for laughs. A tiny robot goes.
क्या मैं,
Until the door replies, yes, you may. Rhyme it. May I try? Polite as the sky.
क्या मैं,
Then add your why. Mini dialogues. Now you try quick scenes, repeat aloud and smile. You, may I open the window? Local.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You.
क्या मैं खिड़की खोल सकती हूँ?
You, may I ask a question? Local.
जरूर.
You.
क्या मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
You, may I sit here? Local.
हाँ, बैठिए.
You.
क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ?
You, may I use your phone? Local.
जरूर, लीजिए.
You.
क्या मैं आपका फोन इस्तेमाल कर सकती हूँ?
Culture tip. Politeness unlocks smiles, use it generously. In India, starting with
माफ कीजिए,
or adding
कृपया,
shows respect when asking.
अनुमति.
Negative twist. May I not?
क्या मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ?
Pro tip. Gentle voice, small nod, maybe a tiny hand raise, classic permission body language. Quiz time. Quick check, answer out loud. You've got this. Q1. Say in Hindi, may I come in? A.
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ?
Q2. Say in Hindi, may I ask a question? A.
क्या मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
Q3. Translate to Hindi, may I use your phone? A.
क्या मैं आपका फोन इस्तेमाल कर सकती हूँ?
Bonus. What's the magic word for please? A.
कृपया,
30-second challenge. Time to create your own lines, make them yours. Say 3 new requests using the template.
क्या मैं सकती हूँ?
Ideas. Borrow this book, try this pen, take a photo. Example sparks.
क्या मैं ये किताब उधार ले सकती हूँ? क्या मैं ये आजमा सकती हूँ? क्या मैं फोटो ले सकती हूँ?
Body cue. Lightly tap your chest on.
मैं,
To anchor the phrase. Go. Wrap up. Nice work, your permission power just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing may I, with.
क्या मैं सकती हूँ?
In daily life, class, shops, travel. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, quizzes, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.